We have arrived.
We are Rive.
And you're watching
Arambulo Live.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nikki, host of Aramblo Live, and I am so excited for my guests today because I have followed their journey from being dreamers on Dreammaker to now living life as an official boy group. Asi, Dre, Ishiro, Matthew, and Russo have finally arrived to Aramblo Live. Let's welcome Rive. Hi, guys. Yay! So before we start, please introduce yourselves to our audience.
Hi, Nikki. We're gonna be starting with Matthew.
Hello, everyone. I'm Rive Matthew.
Wow.
Hello everyone, my name is Rive Dre.
What's up, everyone? My name is Rive Russo.
What's up, everyone? My name is Rive Asi.
Hello guys, and my name is Rive Ishiro.
We
Yay!
have arrived.
We are Rive.
Yay! Is that your official hand thing?
We're still
Yeah.
finalizing it as of now.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Through this interview, we hope to get to know you guys a little bit better. So to start, can each of you share two fun facts na hindi alam ng mga fans? Who wants to start?
Mahilig po akong mag-sketch or mag-drawing. Like, ng mga something, pwede din mag-portrait, ganon. Pero di ko na siya masyadong nagagawa ngayon. Tapos, mahilig din po ako magtagpi-tagpi ng mga damit or
Wow.
yung mag-adjust ng mga isusuot ko for our performances. Parang mga ganon po.
Nice.
Siguro ako, yung first fun fact about me. Kasi di ba yung iba nagko-collect sila ng mga action figures. Pero ako, I become a nerd when it comes to cars. So, nagko-collect ako ng mga miniature models ng cars. Tapos, wala lang. Tinititigan ko lang sila. Tapos I'm like, this car is so beautiful. Whoa.
Matthew, gusto mo ba yung mga Hot Wheels?
Whoa.
It's like the Hot Wheels cars, yung mga maliliit na
Yeah. Pero
Ah.
iba-ibang size eh. May ganto malaki.
Yeah.
Tapos, ayun. Tapos siguro yung second fun fact about me, kahit Matthew yung name ko, hindi ko hilig yung mathematics. I don't like math.
Yes, same.
Yun.
Wow.
Fun fact.
Sa akin, yung una, I love playing online games. Like,
Mhm.
online games is my life before.
What's your
So,
favorite? What's your favorite online game?
Valorant,
Oh, okay.
ML, yep. The second one is, mahilig ako maglinis ng kondo. As in, sobrang maarte ako sa bahay. Yep,
Sa amin din,
sa
linisin
Libra.
mo yung amin.
Wala kayo dyan.
Nice.
Sobrang maarte ako sa bahay. Yeah.
First fun fact ko po, I mean about sa akin is, nag-alaga po ako ng tarantula before.
Whoosh!
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
For me, while I was thinking na fun fact, siguro kung ano na lang the things I've really been into these days, siguro di pa alam ng mga supporters din namin. Right now, I've been really into cooking shows. Puro yun yung mga napapanood ko sa mga Netflix ngayon po. Tulad
Nice.
ng mga Culinary Wars, mga iba-ibang
Yeah.
cooking shows. And also, right now, sobrang favorite almost like 3-4 times a week akong kumakain ng palabok.
Oh, current obsession.
As in, legit. Sobrang, I've been addicted to palabok these days. Yeah,
Okay.
that's my fun fact.
Yay! Well, so many of us followed you guys on your journey sa Dreammaker, and we're so excited to find out that you would continue together. How soon after natapos yung show did you know that you were going to debut as a new group?
So yeah, as far as people know, yeah, we participated in Dreammaker and yeah, we did not win the competition. Pero I think like a few moments or a few months after the competition, one of the creators of the show, Sir Riley of Star Magic Polaris, decided to give us a second chance. And fortunately, kami yung mga napili po. So it started with the three members, Rusu, Asi, and Jay. We're
Uh,
the first three members of the group. And then like after a few more months, I was added. Then after like a month or two as well, Matthew was added. So I think the group was completed around the mid or almost end of 2023.
oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, from that point on, we started training. And yeah, I think throughout the years, we started to work on our chemistry and stuff. So yeah, we're happy where we are right now.
Yes, yes, absolutely. It's like you won, you know? Parang nanalo na kayo.
Yes, 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 yes. We
Awesome.
won in our own way because we still get to continue what we dreamed of.
Yes, yes, of course. Is there something that you learned from your time sa Dreammaker that you're applying to your life now as a member of Rive?
Because you English me too, me too.
Okay.
Yeah. Um,
English.
um, what we've what we've what we've learned from Dreammaker that we've apply in our group right now. Maybe the discipline
Mhm.
when it comes to training, discipline, and the most important, the respect of each other. Um, sobrang na-apply na ako, tumagalog.
It's okay. It's
Yeah,
okay.
na-apply namin siya kasi yun yung pinaka-importante para sa amin. Paano paano namin bigyan ng halaga ang bawat isa. Yung oras pag nasa training kami. So, yun yung mga nakuha namin sa loob ng Dreammaker na na-apply namin sa Rive.
I also have add-ons.
Okay.
Happy.
Topic. Parang dagdag ko lang din, Nikki. Since, ayun nga, nasabi ni Russo na discipline, natuto rin kaming makisama sa different kinds of personalities kasi may iba't ibang personality each contestant.
Mhm.
And also, natuto rin kaming makisama sa different kinds of culture since we also have na coach na Korean and Filipino. So, ayun, natuto rin kaming mag-adjust.
Okay, so my next question is kind of emo, a little emotional. But what's your message to Dreammaker blank from Rive blank? So for example, what's your message to Dreammaker Asi from Rive Asi?
Oh, Dreamy. I'm proud of you. Oh, ayan.
Aw.
That's my message. Short pero, yeah. Alam ko matatouch siya. Ikaw, Dreammaker Russo.
Roy Bruso to Dreammaker Russo.
Yes.
um, I just wanna say I love for you. um, gusto ko siyang, pwede ko ba siyang magbisaya sa kanya?
Sure, go ahead. Yes.
Gusto na akong magpasalamat sa imo kay wala ka nigawas ka sa imong comfort zone and i-show your pinakita nimo imong talent sa tanang tao. And yeah, salamat sa tiwala sa sarili.
Paki-translate sa Tagalog.
Yes. And then after that, English.
Oh, sure. Maraming salamat sa tiwala mo at sa hindi pagsuko sa pangarap mo. Thank you sa paglabas. Dahil lumabas ka sa comfort zone mo. In English,
Whoa.
English.
thank you for trusting yourself.
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you for getting out of your comfort zone.
Yes! That's right.
And
I love you.
ako, sige. ako. So, I just wanna say thank you for always being motivated and having the hunger na palaging matuto. Hunger. Tapos ayun, kasi palagi mo tong ginusto eh. ever since before pa talaga gusto mo na maging idol talaga. And this is what's happening now. Kaya I'll promise to you na palagi ko lang gagalingan, palagi ko lang tatatagan, bibigay ko lagi yung effort ko and wag makakalimot sa kung saan nanggaling.
Yay!
Message ko sa past self ko, sobrang proud ako sa'yo kasi hindi mo sinukuan yung mga pagsubok na dumaan sa'yo. Kahit ilang auditions pa yung pinagdaanan mo and ilang mga works or before ka nag-start maging idol, nagawa mo siya. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Masasabi ko na nandito na tayo. Or should I say, we have arrived now.
Yeah!
Yes, ganda.
Grabe ka, Dolo.
Should I say?
Hindi mo kaya.
Tayo ako na. Google mo na ko no?
Chat GPT.
Okay, for me, ay ako pala. Yeah, my message for Dream Chaser Ishiro is, you need to calm down. Yeah, you need to calm down. Legit, you need to calm down and don't be so tense. And like, there was a point, like, don't be so sad because, eventually things will turn out better, actually, and you will be where you want to be. So yeah, you just need to be patient and yeah, just enjoy the whole ride. Whatever comes in between, it's gonna be worth it and very important to your journey.
Enjoy the whole ride till you meet the ride.
Yeah. Enjoy the whole ride until you arrive with Rive.
Or should I say?
Should I say?
Or should I say?
Ang ganda. I love the messages. Like I said kanina, I'm such a fan of you guys. Watching you sa Dreammaker individually, I'm so happy and proud to see that you're all together now.
Thank
So,
you.
Oh, thank you po.
of course, chemistry is so important within a group. Paano ba mag-bonding ang Rive?
Ayan na.
Ayan na. Tara, dito na magkakalaman.
Bonding.
So, I think, pag nagbabanding talaga kami, hindi talaga nawawala yung food, yung pagkain.
Mhm.
Palagi kami nagsasama tuwing oras na ng kainan. Tapos yun yung time na we always talk about ourselves, we talk about our future. Wala, sobrang chill lang. Or sometimes we go to each other's places so that makapag-bonding kami. It's either work-related or minsan talagang trip lang namin tumambay. Kasi yung touring namin sa isa't isa para kami mga magkakapatid, ganun, mga totoong tropa. So, kumbaga yung pagsasama namin lahat, talagang matatag. Oh, parang childhood friends
Na
talaga.
parang uwi ka sa like elementary friends mo, high school friends. Kasi 'di ba yun yung high school friends daw yung pinaka totoo or pinaka organic mo magiging friends. Tapos parang yun yung na-feel namin sa Rive. Parang kaming feeling namin ang tagal-tagal na namin magkakilala na parang kilala na namin yung magkakakonekta na yung mga bituka namin. Parang ganun.
Gutom yung isa, gutom yung lahat.
Oo, gutom yung isa. Pag tatanungin lang, kakain ka ba? O tara, sasama lahat. Ganun, ganun yung ano namin, no?
Pag-iisa naman yung may pera, no, di siya na yung manlilibre.
Uy, sino yun siya?
Si Asi. Siya yung pinakapaldo sa amin ngayon, guys.
O tara, kwek-kwek
Wow.
mamaya!
Natatawa kasi minsan pag yung umorder na, halimbawa may umorder ng isa, tapos tatanungin, gusto mo rin ba nito? Tapos nakatingin na rin yung tatlo.
Naghihintay na.
Nakatingin, so
Aw.
matik na damay na lahat yun.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Food is the way to go. Your singles, Ooh La La and Señorita, are two songs that I've really been listening to since it was released. Which one is your favorite to perform live and why?
I think Señorita kasi mas personal siya sa amin and mas kami.
Mhm.
Kumbaga parang kami din kasi yung gumawa po nung song and nag-choreograph. So parang ano siya, nasa comfortable side namin. And talagang nalalabas namin yung individuality namin or yung personality namin sa
Mhm.
bawat isa.
Yes.
Yes.
Same answer for all of you guys.
Yeah.
Señorita. Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, it's so nice to see that P-pop has really become its own genre under the umbrella of OPM. What do you guys think Rive can bring sa P-pop industry?
I think everyone naman, like most especially OPM and P-pop groups want to contribute to uplift our music, Filipino music. What we really want to contribute is like in our own way is to add our specific flavor because each artist really have their own like artistry, creativity, like how they put or translate their minds into the craft they create. So like in a way, our creativity is like showcased through our songs, through the dance, through the concepts or what we really want to present to the people. So I think that's how we really want to contribute. It's like through our music and giving a piece of ourselves because each person and each artist is really different. And we really want to showcase who Rive really is. Yeah, that's what I think.
Siguro also po yung hindi lang para sa Rive. Um, makapag-ambag din ng songs sa OPM. Me and Ishiro, we co-wrote ng song ng Beanie, which is Infinity. And yeah, sa ibang artist din na solo artist. Siguro hindi lang siya sa P-pop community, also sa buong OPM. Yun yung ambag ng Rive.
Yeah, really want to make a mark and to be remembered. We really want to be known for our music and what we really contributed. And yun nga, to put out more meaningful and, relatable music to the people na they will also enjoy.
Yes. And your authenticity too, as individuals and as a group. When you listen to a song like alam mo, oh, Rive did that. That's their sound. That's their story.
Yes,
So
and
yeah, go ahead, Ishiro, go ahead.
yeah, just to add, in everything we put out, really want everything to be authentic and
Mhm.
really comes from within. We really want what we put out to really come out from our hearts and what we really want people talaga to hear from us. It's very important, the heart and authenticity from us.
Yes. And dinig naman. I can hear it personally in your music. So, yay! A round of applause for Rive. So, speaking of Beanie, back in 2021, when I interviewed them, tinanong ko sa kanila, what is your dream stage to perform on? And they answered Coachella. And as we all know, this year they're going to perform in Coachella this year. So let's manifest for you guys. I want to ask the same question. What is your dream stage to perform on?
Dream stage. Honestly, ang dream stage talaga ng Rive, kahit saan man yan, basta first solo concert po namin. Yun po talaga yung aming yun po talaga ang aming dream stage and goal.
Mhm.
Ayun po. Sana mangyari din.
Yes.
And also, of course, bukod sa solo concert namin, of course, Grammys.
Wow.
Grammys.
Oscars! Oscars!
Yes. Kumbaga, mangangarap na lang din, taasan na natin, di ba? Kasi syempre, ang goal ng Rive is ma-uplift yung OPM. So, gusto namin iparinig kung paano tayong mga Pilipino. So, through Grammys, ma-showcase natin sa mundo kung paano ang Pilipino as an artist.
Asan mo na yung pangarap, Mix? Kasi ako, naniniwala ako sa the more na mataas yung pangarap ng isang tao, the more siya nagsisipag at ginagawa ang best effort niya hanggat sa maabot niya yun. Hanggat di niya namamalaya na aabot niya na pala unti-unti.
Mhm.
Tama.
Totoo yan. And when it happens, because it will happen, I'll take care of you guys. So when you come here, I got you.
Yun!
Okay.
Neon balls.
I'll drive. I'll be your driver.
Wow, 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 wow.
So, I want to get to know you guys even more. So let's play a game. Are you ready for a game?
Yeah.
Game.
Okay, this is called
Go.
quick fire. So I'll throw the question, tapos you tell me the first thing that you think about. Okay? All right, first one. What are you currently binge watching?
Tom and Jerry.
Culinary Wars. SpongeBob. Anime.
Kung TV.
Oh.
SpongeBob.
One Piece pala. One Piece. Patrick!
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. What is your go-to comfort food?
Quick, quick. Quick, quick.
Labo.
Quick, quick. Related sa
Quick, quick.
Okay. What song do you have on repeat?
Ulala.
Unreleased song. Unreleased song.
Unreleased
song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lahat
Hindi pa po
from-
na-release eh.
in a few days. In a few
In a few
we'll,
days.
we'll talk
Yes.
about that for sure.
Also in a few months.
In a few months?
Oh my gosh, in a few months? Wow, ang bilis naman. Okay, the next one is where was your last vacation spot?
LU. Cavite.
Laguna.
Cavite.
Vacation spot.
That's yun din yung bahay mo eh.
Masarap magbakasyon kasama pamilya.
Cavite. Yeah. Ay, kayo.
Laguna.
Batangas.
Calabarzon.
Calabarzon.
Wow.
Sino ang taga Laguna? And where are you from, Matthew?
Sa San Pablo po. Sa Rizal, Laguna po.
I'm from Santa Rosa.
Oh,
sa
may
may enchanted.
Taga doon din po ako.
Really?
Yes po.
Wow, are we related?
Opo, marami yung tahanan, boy.
Nice.
Taga doon po kasi yung lola ko. And pag andito yung lola ko, doon po ako nag-stay sa Nuvali po.
Oh, cool. Okay, we'll meet there one day. Okay, the next question is, what is the one item that you need with you everywhere you go na hindi cellphone?
Headset.
Facial wash.
Power bank.
Earphones.
Laptop.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Oo.
Ay, oo. Hindi siya may laptop.
Dala ko, kahit speaker ko nga.
Babango.
Hindi ngayon.
Wallet.
Yeah. Mm.
ID.
Oo nga no.
Yeah, totoo yan.
Galing na itong batang to.
Inhaler.
Pangalan na ito.
Inhaler. Hindi po magaling post yan.
Pero hindi yan inhaler, boss. Ay, ball.
Mental.
Yan, Parker.
Ayan o.
Ayun.
Sample.
No.
All right, the last one is if you were a fan of Rive, sino ang bias mo?
Ishiro.
Matthew.
Ako si Russo, siya yung gumagawa
Dre.
ng kanta eh.
Dre.
Matthew.
Okay. So we reached out to your amazing fans for their questions. And thank you guys for sharing. Nakita ko yun sa Instagram. But we chose 3 questions. So for the first one, please say hello to Estelle.
Hi, Esther.
Okay, her question is, what was your favorite performance or event that you have done?
Ako po. Favorite ko po yung sa performance namin nung debut namin sa Showtime.
Mhm.
Kasi ayun po parang talagang pinaghandaan namin na sobrang prime days namin siya. Prime days? Ayun. Ano po siya, sobrang happy lang nung performance and sobrang comfortable namin sa isa't isa talaga. Ayun yung
I don't know. For me, it's also yung namin, Showtime performance of Ulala, the first time. Kasi that was our very first time like showcasing our debut song. The first ever performance na mapakita namin what we trained for officially as Rive. And also, dung that day, sobrang roller coaster of emotions talaga siya. Because since it was our first performance, our hearts were really pounding so fast. Sobrang nakakaba. But at the same time, we're really excited to finally show the people. So, hindi talaga namin makakalimutan kasi like all the emotions na nagalo-halo. We need to like suck it in and to lock into our performance. So yeah, very memorable.
Yeah, pinanood ko
Bakit?
yun.
Uy.
Siguro ako po yung pinaka-favorite ko na performance namin. Recently, yung yun sa Magpasikat po.
Oh,
Tapos sa Showtime kasi yun
we
yung
love Showtime.
yun yung may kasama rin po kaming iba't ibang P-pop group. And na-feel ko lang na kasama natin sila mag-perform. Talagang ang sarap sa feeling kasi pina-perform din po namin yung own song namin right there. So, ayun po.
Okay.
Ikaw.
Oh. Sinabi nyo na, puro album debut. Siyempre ako sa yung sa palagi kong pinapakinggang tao na nag-concert, which is Kuya Maki. Nung concert ni Kuya Maki, sobrang favorite ko yun kasi pagkakaalam ko si Kuya Maki daw po yung pumili na mag-perform kami doon. So, sobrang thankful namin na napili niya kaming pasayahin yung mga fans niya bago siya lumabas sa stage, di ba?
Tsaka may bago tayong piece na
Yeah, tsaka
perform
doon
na.
namin first na perform yung Hakbang,
Hakbang.
our song,
Release.
our release song. So, yeah, that's my favorite.
Yes.
Yes.
Nabanggit na po nilang lahat yung gusto ko din eh. Yun yung pinaka-memorable ko din eh. Siguro na lang, since Beanieverse.
Mm.
Kasi doon din po
Throwback.
namin unang nai-release yung bagong version ng Hollywood, which is unreleased din po. And of course, that's Beanie. Makapag-perform ka sa harap ng Blooms is napakalaking bagay po sa amin. Super dupers, lucky.
Big platform din po. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Okay, the next question is from Ellery. Please say hello to Ellery.
Hi!
Hi, Ellery!
Is there going to be mall shows that will showcase your talents and songs from your upcoming album?
We don't know when this will come out, but this January 17, we had the first album showcase of Rive, our self-titled album. Yeah. We're gonna showcase all the songs there as much as possible. And yeah, it's the first time that everything is gonna be performed live.
Yeah.
And for the future events, I think what we will be having.
Mosho, we're gonna be having
First lesson.
campus tours and more TV guestings, hopefully, and more sa P-pop
People
events, yes. Sana promotion talaga ng first album po namin.
Yes, awesome. Okay, the last question is from Emily. Please say hello to Emily.
Hi, Emily!
Okay, what kind of musical genre do you hope Rive can do in the future?
Wow, wow, wow!
Ikaw, parang ikaw yung gano'n yan.
Maestro!
Kasi ako, ako kasi, iba yung gusto kong music, no? Parang pag about Russo lang, hindi siya Rive Russo. Pero binabase ko yung songs na ginagawa namin sa group. So maybe more on hip hop,
Uy!
more on swag, more on like that. Heavy rap soon.
Rap heavy song.
Yeah.
R&B, R&B
Wini-wish ko
pwede.
yun.
R&B daw?
Yeah, more R&B.
Ako pa wini-wish ko na parang sana mag-isip si Russo ng something na vibe ng Stray Kids.
Oh.
Yung mga ganun.
Mm-mm.
Meron naman eh. Ayaw nyo nun eh. Oh, nasa vault. Pero yeah,
Vault.
soon magkakaroon tayo ng maraming genre.
Yes.
Sobrang nag-explore kami ngayon and syempre naririnig din namin yung fans namin kung ano yung mga gusto nilang mapakinggan from us and may mga hindi silang may expect na genres from us. Yeah, siguro R&B and hip hop.
With the touch of Rive.
Yeah, with the touch of vibe.
Yeah. Rabbit is its own genre. Thank you so much sa mga fans who sent in questions. Rive, do you have a message for everyone who has been supporting you since day one?
Thank you so much for the effort and support na binibigay niyo po since day one. Dahil hindi niyo po kami nakakalimutan and kahit palagi niyo po kaming nakakakulitan or nakakabanding, sobrang na feel pa rin namin na we are loved and sobrang na-appreciate namin kayo. And dahil wala pa nga kayong pangalan, syempre nameless fandom muna kayo, syempre, ayun muna. Dahil yun, support namin din kayo sa buhay nyo, sa mga kaganapan nyo sa buhay. Support din namin kayo. Ano na?
Magkakaalaman. Nameless fandom eh.
Oo, kakaalaman.
Kakaalaman na.
TBA, to be announced.
TB.
TBA.
Yes.
Ako gusto ko lang din mag-thank you, not hindi lang sa fans, also sa lahat ng mga taong nasa paligid namin. Thank you for believing in us. And sa management, from Star Music, Star Magic, Polaris, Star Magic, ABS-CBN, Showtime family, sobrang salamat. And also ASAP, maraming iba, Rainbow Rumble. Thank you so much for believing in us. And syempre, marami pa kaming mapapakita at mapaparinig sa inyong magaganda about from Rive, songs, performance, and future plans.
You guys have done so much in 2025. Was there like, aside from your debut, was there one core memory that happened last year?
Siguro aside sa pag-debut po namin, pinaka-core memory talaga for us is yung manalo sa P-pop Awards bilang New Group Artist of the Year. Yes. Ayun na po ang aming trophy.
Wow! Ang ganda.
Ayun. Yes, and isa pa yung makapag-co-write kami ng songs for other artists or with other artists.
Mm-mm.
Ayun, kasi yun yung goal ng Rive po talaga. And it's something na talagang nakikita namin na nagbubunga yung aming pinaghihirapan araw-araw.
Mhm.
More to come
More
this
to come.
2026.
More to
Yes.
manifest.
Yes.
Yes.
This 2026, we'll make sure na more songs for other artists, for Rive, from Rive and sa ibang artists from Rive also.
Ang ganda na ng 2026 nyo. We're only a few days into the year, but you guys are already releasing your first album. Congrats!
Happy New Year!
Happy New
Happy
Year,
New Year!
Happy New
Rise!
Year!
How was the experience in creating the album, and how were each of you guys involved sa process?
Yeah, so this album is actually like a year or years in the making because like 2, 3. It's been like 2 or 3 years since we actually it's been 2 or 3 years since we started learning to actually make songs. We really started from scratch, from zero, and building up our knowledge. So this is like a result of our efforts and learning how to improve our craft, how to make songs, how to think of different concepts, how to put our ideas into reality. So this album is really special to us. That's why it's also self-titled Rive, the first album, because in this album we're really gonna show what we really prepared for, who we are, and what we want people to receive from us. Yeah.
And yeah, sabi nga ni Ishiro, from ni-ready namin siya since 2023. This album, since 2023 siya. So 3 years? Yeah, 3 years of preparation. Siguro binigyan namin ng time paano namin na mahanap yung genre babagay sa amin. Kasi yun yung for me, yun yung pinaka nahirapan kami. What kind of songs will suit for Rive? Parang ganun. English. Pero ayun po, pinaghandaan namin tong songs na to for this album na nanggaling talaga sa puso namin ng Rive. Sana magustuhan ninyo. And mas marami pang paparating. Yep.
We're really prepared. Even though we have this album na, like we have countless songs in the vault. Really,
Yep.
even though actually si Russo almost every day or every week gumagawa siya ng bagong song. And recently we've been also participating so that everyone, can contribute and we can have a song in which everyone really wrote it. So yeah, there's a lot of songs that has been written and really want everything to be listened by the people.
And also, for sa mga paparating na songs, hindi lang Russo na songwriter yung makikita ninyo doon. As in Rive, doon mo makikita yung totoong like Rive. Rive 2.0.
Second album, Bribe.
Right.
Or should I say?
Should I say Rive 2.0?
Wow. Yeah, the Carrier song sa album nyo is called Hakbang, which you guys talked about earlier. Can you tell me more about the song and its meaning?
The, Hakbang is it's an upbeat anthem it's really about hope and perseverance. Because, no matter where we are in life, no matter what obstacles may be in front of our way, how far the end we think might be, what we just need is one step, isang hakbang. Because one step is enough to move forward. It's an upgrade or a step closer to where we really want to be. And it's also a reminder that where we ever are in our life, it's okay to take our time as long as we keep moving forward. It doesn't have to be fast. We don't have to compete with anyone. We can have our own time in which a perfect time where everything will be work out for the better in our life.
Yeah. Baka may pang-sample ka naman dyan para
Sample.
Sample, please.
Nagpasample sa sarili.
Ayun lahat. Lahat.
Okay, sige.
Chorus. Samahan ka namin.
Okay. 5,
6, 7.
Kung di man maaari, ngayon sakaling pagbigyan lang natin. Umikot ang mundo, oh, oh, oh. Araw ay darating sa'yo, oh, oh, oh.
Whoa! The harmony was so good! Ang galing!
Thank you
Thank
po.
you, thank you. You're preparing for your album launch. Ang ganda ng poster. Congrats, guys. How are you preparing for this event?
Training. Ano po talaga, maraming repetition po ng aming choreography since we're gonna be performing the whole album. Pinapractice din po namin yung whole sequence every day.
So, first time kasi natin mapaperform yung ibang songs.
Yes, and talagang malala po yung aming conditioning.
Kasi first time natin mag-perform ng more than 3 songs.
Yes,
Yeah.
first time po itong more than, alam mo yun, whole album po yung perform namin. That's why, work on po talaga namin yung aming stamina to make sure na talagang every song is ma-justify namin. At malaman ng tao kung ano yung message ng bawat kanta.
Consistent everyday talaga tayo nagte-train leading up to the launch.
Oo nga, mamaya nga meron eh.
Mamaya po.
Oh my
Hindi po na ito.
Yeah.
Sunday, training day.
So, yeah. Sobrang binibigyan namin ng time for our upcoming album launch. We'll make sure na lahat ng manonood is magiging masasatisfied sa papanoorin nila. Mag-enjoy sila.
You have so many projects happening together as Rive, pero meron din kayong mga solo projects is what I'm hearing. What can you share about that?
Ito po si Paldo.
Oh! Ayun, since meron po kami sariling parang 'di ba strength po. So through that nagkakaroon po kami ng solo projects just like Matthew, nag-acting po si Matthew. Ayun, and also ako po meron po ako or natanggap po ako sa isang online show. So yes, Inside ABS po. So ayan.
Tsaka guys, ano pala, if nakita nyo yung story ko like nung mga New Year, Meron kasi akong ginawa na shoot with Parsync. So, abangan nyo yun. Yung Parsync Super Fresh.
Yes!
Yes.
And also, abangan nyo rin po ang upcoming projects ni Russo at Ishiro na marami pa silang may contribute sa ibang artists.
Ba't di ko alam yung project na yun?
Ah?
Ah,
Di pa kasi release,
di pa
pre. Pero, di ba? Tapos si Dre po, abangan nyo po, marami rin po siyang upcoming
Attend
projects.
po kayo sa mga dance
Dance
class na
class.
Dance
gagawin
class.
ko.
Wow!
Yeah.
Nice.
And dream ko rin po makapag-choreograph sa ibang artist din.
Yeah.
And
And
stuff.
also, sa amin dalawa ni Ishiro, marami pa pong more artists na maglalabas ng songs from us. So, yeah, abangan niyo po. Magagandang song po yun and for sure, gusto niyo yung mga artist na yun.
Nice.
And of course, since very talaga dito sa ABS, sobrang, kumbaga hinuhon talaga yung skills po namin. Marami din pong paparating pa dahil as of now po, meron po kaming mga in-enrollan na workshops po. Just like acting, hosting, and everything. Ayun po. So, abangan nyo po yan.
Awesome. So my question individually, sino ang gusto nyong ma-collaborate? Whether it's on a song, like Russo, who do you want to write for? Dre, who do you want to dance with?
Wala
Matthew, who do you want to act with? So sino mga gusto nyong ma-collaborate?
Acting.
Ano, I really want to, for us, the group to co-write and collab on a song with, Sakta Budlo. Because I really like his like style on his songs and how he writes his songs. So, gusto kong parang mag-mix yung ideas namin together to make a good song to perform to the people.
Mhm.
Ako gusto ko magkaroon ng song with Sir Glock 9. Like collaboration with Sir Glock 9 with Rive. And yeah, sobrang bata pa lang ako. Sa kanya ako natuto paano mag-rap din. So siya yung dream collab ko.
Dream collab.
So,
May naisip ka na bo?
Siguro pagdating sa acting, gusto ko siguro maka-eksena si Sir Jake Cuenca po. Ganun.
Ako siguro pagdating sa hosting, gusto ko po maka-co-host si Quiz Vong Navarro.
Mm-mm.
And very idol ko po kasi siya, bata pa lang.
Ako naman po, when it comes to performances, like yung mga song and dance or sing and dance na mga performance, Sir Gary V and Miss Sarah G.
Yeah.
And Dre. It's Dre.
Awesome. Well, Rive, please invite all of our viewers to stream your album and to attend yung mga upcoming events nyo. So please go ahead.
Yes, everyone, and to our supporters, our self-titled album, Rive, the first album, is out this January 16 on all digital streaming platforms. It is an accumulation of our efforts ever since debut, so we really hope that you guys enjoy it.
And for more updates and upcoming events and dun sa details nung aming album launch, pwede nyo kaming i-follow sa aming social media accounts at RivePH, WRIVEPH.
ayun guys, sana magkita-kita tayo doon sa SM North EDSA, the Annex Atrium, 4 p.m. Magdala po kayo kahit sino yung kasama nyo. Yeah. Admission is free. It's free, guys. So, we want you to enjoy with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones. Yeah. And also, sabi nga namin sa live namin kagabi, kung gusto mo dalhin yung ex mo, dalhin mo kasi may song para sa kanya.
Kasi paano ko pagkabalikan, di ba?
Wow, Rive, congratulations sa lahat ng mga blessings. You're going to have a very busy year, so take care of yourselves. And I am so excited to hear the album. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
So much po.
Thank you, Nikki.